How to look naturally beautiful. It's not necessary to invest considerable time and energy to appear naturally beautiful. Just take time to groom yourself so you feel and look clean and fresh. Then, style and offer yourself in a manner that enables you to feel confident. Incorporating healthy habits to your routine will also help achieve natural splendor. You will be searching and feeling great very quickly. Developing a grooming routine. Shower or bathe frequently. Cleanse the face daily. Moisturize the skin. Brush and floss the teeth every day. Exfoliate and moisturize both hands and foot. Apply sunblock prior to going outdoors. Use lip balm to maintain your lips smooth and soft. Styling yourself. Put on clean clothes that suit well. Choose simple accessories. Look for a hairdo that best suits you. Apply natural searching makeup, if preferred. Developing healthy habits. Consume a healthy, balanced diet. Drink 880 unce portions of water every day. Exercise a minimum of 3 times each week. Strive for 78 HRS rest every night. Smile and project confidence.